Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and I've got a brand new camera from Nikon, the Z5. This camera is a great entry point full frame system that allows you to really expand your capabilities. This camera features a 24.3 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor with 5-axis image shift vibration reduction. The Z5 features 4.5 frames per second in continuous shooting modes, as well as up to 30 frames a second in 4K. With this camera, you'll get a tilting LCD screen, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as dual UHS-II SD card slots. The Z5 comes in 3 different options. You have the body only, the 24-50 kit, and the 24-200 kit. The body only comes in just under $1,400, so to pre-order yours, go ahead and visit us online at bedfords.com or visit your local store. I'm Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll catch you next time.